fourth problem. Students, write down. If tan A is equal to cot B, A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Write down the fourth problem. Write the fourth problem. Very simple, same concept. See, tan A is equal to cot B and A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. See here, given tan A is equal to cot B. So the proof is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So we have to use this 90 degrees concept, the complementary angles formula. Use the complementary angle formula. Use it on any one side. See here, I gave this formula. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is the formula. Or cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. See here. So this is tan theta. This is tan theta. In place of tan, write cot 90 minus theta. Or this is cot. In place of cot, you can anyone you change. So I am changing this. For example, first one I will keep same. First one I am keeping same. Anyone you can change. First one I am writing same. I am changing this second one using this first formula. See here. Cot theta is equal to what? Tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Use this formula. Cot theta is equal to tan what? 90 minus theta is B here. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. This is the formula I am using here. So mention that formula. Cot theta in place of cot theta. What I am writing? Tan 90 minus theta. This formula we derived also. We derived and in the previous class we applied it for many problems. So cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is B. Now this is equal symbol. So left side, right side, everything should be equal. So tan same. If these two are same, then this should be also equal. Because equal symbol, everything should be equal. Like other words, tan cancel. Actually we should not say like that, but same meaning. Tan same. So A is equal to 90 minus B. That's all. This is tan, this is tan. So both are same. This angle should be also same because equal symbol. No? So what should be equal? A should equal to 90 minus B. Cot, I am writing cot in terms of tan so that both tan, so I can equate the angles. I can remove this tan, equate the angles like that. So for that I have the formula. Cot theta is equal to what? Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is B. So minus B this side plus B. A minus B this side plus B is equal to what is the right side? 90 degrees. See the proof. We got the proof. See the question. That's all we require. So first you have to write the question. Many times I told you, without looking at the question, without writing the question, don't see the procedure. I am going very slowly. I am giving sufficient time. Please directly don't see the procedure. First you write the question. So at least if you don't get the time to write the complete question, at least look at it. Read the question. After reading the question only, see the procedure, because what is asked in the question you have to know. So the question, the required question is, show that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That is the required question. So this is given. I wrote cot is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan same. A is equal to 90 minus B. Minus B this side plus B. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Proved. Followed or not? Students, write the fifth question. Write down the fifth question from the textbook. Read it. Fifth question. See the textbook 292 page number. ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then show that this is the question. Show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. This is the question we asked. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. That is the question. See here, how I am proving. Solution. Capital A, capital B, capital C. What are these? What they denote? They denote, see the question. ABC are angles of a triangle. See here. Given that A, B, C are angles of a triangle. Of course, interior angles, but simply angles also we can write. A, B, C are what? They are the angles of a triangle. A, B, C are angles of a triangle, that is given in the question. So, if A, B, C are angles of a triangle, there is a relation between these three angles. The relation is sum of three angles in a triangle. This angle plus this angle plus this angle. Sum of three angles in any triangle is A plus B plus C is equal to 180. We know it. In any triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. This we know. Okay. Now, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. I am writing like this. Because, see, A plus AB on one side, cot the other is on the other side. Or let us use in the problem itself. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. You remember this. You remember this. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. You studied in the when this triangle is introduced in the 6th class. In that only you studied sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Now, we have to prove this, no? I am taking the left side. Don't write. I am taking the left side, tan A plus B by 2. This I am taking. I am taking the left side of this question. Now, tan, what is the proof? We have to get this. Take this, do some simplification and get this answer. Show that. That means take this, do all the required operations and use the formulas and get this answer. Answer is in terms of C. There is no AB in this. So we have to remove A and B. We have to introduce C. How? A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. See here, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. In place of A plus B, what I am writing? 180 minus C. This we know, this is the rule in a triangle. Sum of three angles is 180. So why I am writing A plus B is equal to 180 minus C? Because answer is in terms of C. So can we write like this? Yes, it is correct only, because if we take plus C to the right side, it becomes minus C. By 2 same. I am not changing anything. I am not disturbing anything. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. By 2 I am writing. Tan also I am writing same. tan A plus B is equal to 180 minus C by 2 everything same. This 2 is for both 180 by 2. 180 by 2 90 minus 180 by 2 90 minus C by 2 is C by 2. 180 by 2 90 minus C by 2 is C by 2. 180 by 2 90 minus C by 2. See the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. See the formula. See the formulas. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Apply that formula here. For 90 degrees, tan changes to cot. Tangent changes to cotangent. Easy to remember. Tan, we will get CO. Tangent, cotangent. Cotangent to tangent like that. Tangent changes to cotangent. What is the cotangent short form? Cot. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. For 90 degrees, tan changes to cot of. What is theta here? Theta here, if it is theta, we will get theta. Whatever angle is there, same angle we will get here. But here, what is theta? C by 2. So for 90 degrees, tan changes to cot. For what angle? C by 2. See the proof we got? Proved. We got the RHS. I took the left side. Simple operations, I got the right side. For simplification, I used this concept because it is given that ABC are the angles of a triangle. It is given in the textbook. Because they are the angles of a triangle, sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So take the left side. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. By 2 is by 2. 180 by 2, 90. C by 2, C by 2. Minus is minus. This 2 is the denominator for both. 180 by 2, 90. C by 2, C by 2. For 90 degrees, tan changes to cot of angle C by 2. We got the proof. Students, followed or not? Any disturbance, anything you can tell? Okay, if you have followed this, then go for the next problem. It is also simple, same concept. Sixth is also very simple. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Express cos sine 75 plus cos 75, cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. See, there are two methods. Directly sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta we can write. So, two methods are there. For all the problems in this exercise, we can apply the formula in reverse order or from this order. So, as per our definition we can use, or in reverse order also we can use. So I will explain from state order. See here. 75 should be changed to smaller angle. 75 change to smaller angle. That angle should be between 0 and 45. It should be between 0 and 45. So we have this formula: sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Same formulas throughout this exercise. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here the sin theta, in place of sin theta you write cos 90 minus theta. In place of cos theta you write sin 90 minus theta. Like this we can use, or like this also we can use. I will use this side from this side. So I will use this 90 degrees. So 90 minus how much is 75? 90 minus 15 is 75. 90 minus 15 is 75. 90 minus 15 is 75. Or if you use in this reverse order, it will be convenient. That also you can use. (75) and 65. Okay, this is 65. Now 65 can be written as 90 minus how much? 25. See, 90 minus 25 is 65. 90 minus 25 is 65. 90 minus 15 is 75. 75 is written as 90 minus 15. 65 is written as 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 how much? 65 only. 75 is 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. Now I am using the first formula. For 90 degrees sin changes to cos. 90 degrees sin changes to cos of what angle? Theta. What is theta here? 15 over plus. Second formula, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. For 90 degrees cos changes to sin of what is the angle? 25 degrees. So for 90 degrees sin changes to cos of 15 degrees. For 90 degrees cos changes to sin of 25 degrees. So these two formulas I applied in this order. See here, sin theta is 75 is written as 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. For 90 degrees sin changes to cos of 15. So here also 65 is written as 90 minus 25. For 90 degrees cos changes to sin of 25. So we got this. But is it okay? Yes, it is okay, because change this into different form such that the angles should be between 0 and 45. See, in the answer, these angles should be how much? It should be between 0 and 45. So 15 is between 0 and 45. 25 is between 0 and 45. So this is okay. This is the answer. That's all. We have changed into required form. It is 75 degrees. This is not between 0 and 45. Change it. 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. For 90 degrees sin changes to cos of 15. 65 can be written as 90 minus 25. For 90 degrees cos changes to sin of 25. That's all. We can use this method also. See here. Sin 75 cos 65. See here. This formula in reverse order I am using. Sin theta can be written as what? Sin theta can be written as what? Cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta is 75. See here. Sin theta is equal to what? Cos, same formula in reverse. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is 75. Same way, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is 65. See here. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 50, 90 minus 75 is 50. 90 minus 65 is 25. Same answer. In reverse form you can use, or this form also use. So if you can't get 75 can be written as 90 minus how much, if you won't get idea, then this will be better. Because sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus 75. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta is 65. For 90 degrees sin change, that is 90 minus 65 is 25, 90 minus 75 is 15. That's all. Any method you can use. Two methods I explained. Any doubt? Students, all problems are completed or not? Did we completed a third one? Third is over? Third problem complete or not? Okay, so exercise is over. Any doubt in the exercise, you can mention that question number. So exercise is over. I will let us start the next exercise tomorrow. I will solve some important examples in the same exercise. Write down this example 12. Write down. I am solving some important examples in the same exercise, so that we will start the fourth exercise, that is the last exercise of this chapter, tomorrow. I will give some new formulas. Let us start tomorrow. So fourth example 12. Write down. ABC are angles of a triangle. Show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This is the proof. Write down. So this is the question. This is also important example. So write down this example and do it. So here given ABC are angles of a triangle. If ABC are angles of a triangle, that is, what is the condition? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. If ABC are angles of a triangle, just now we solved one problem. ABC are angles of a triangle, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now take the required question. What is the question? See here, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to, we have to prove that this is equal to cos A by 2. Let us prove. I am taking the left side. I am taking the left side of this. Take the left hand side of the required question. Now see here. What changes we have to make? What changes are required? What changes are required? See, the answer is in terms of A. Answer is in terms of A. So remove this B and C and try to introduce A. Answer is in terms of A. So therefore B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. 180 minus A by 2 is by 2. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A by 2 is by 2. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. From this relation, B plus C, in place of B plus C I am writing 180 minus A. Sine is sine. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. By 2 is by 2. I am not disturbing the problem. By 2 sine is sine. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Exactly as per this equation from 1. Now, sine 180 by 2 is 90. 180 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2 is A by 2 only. 180 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2 is A by 2 only. What is sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. See the formula. See the formula, sine 90 minus theta, complementary angles formulas, I derived it, all the formulas I derived. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So for 90 degrees, sine changes to cosine. Cosine means cos. Sine changes to cosine. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos. What is the angle? Theta. Theta is how much here? A by 2. Prove. See the right side. Exactly, we took the left side. Only 3 steps we got the right side. Students, one more example I am solving, example 9. See the textbook. Cos 7a is equal to sine a minus 6 degrees. Find A. That is the question. Example 9. You write down the question from the textbook. See here. This is our textbook third problem model. See, given, what is given? Cos 7a is equal to sine a minus 6 degrees. This is given. To solve this equation, to find a value, the process is both sides there should be same ratio. If this is sine, change this also as sine. If this is cos, they change this also into cos. Both should be in terms of cos or both should be in sine. Both in sine or both in cos. Like that we have to change. So this form, I am changing this one. I am changing this as sine. The formula is, we studied this formula, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Same formula in reverse. Cos theta is equal to what? Sine 90 minus theta. Reverse we use. Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. See here, cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta is 7a. Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is 7. Right side same. right side keeping same, cos theta in place of cos theta I am writing sin 90 minus theta. Why I am writing like this? Cos is equal to why I am writing sin? Because both sides they should be same ratio. So cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Sin same. These two should be equal. 90 minus 7a should equal to a minus 6. These two are equal. These two should be equal. 90 minus, generally we call sin cancel, but we should not say like this. So we cannot cancel sin, but just to explain you. So sin same, then these two should be equal. Sin same, this is equal symbol. These two angles should be equal. See here. Minus 7a plus a this side minus a plus a this side minus a minus 6 plus 90 that side minus 90 plus a this side minus a plus 90 that side minus 90 minus 7a minus 8a is equal to minus 96 minus minus cancel a is equal to 96 by 8 12 degrees. Following or not? Example 11. See here. Use these two formulas and change the angles into another form such that the new angle should be between 0 and 45. So 81 is greater than 45. It is not between 0 and 45. Change these two angles. Between the new angle should be between 0 and 45. New angle should be between 0 and 45. So 8 sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Directly you write sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Same formula. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Two ways. Actually, one example exercise problem I did it 75 and 65. Two ways I explained. Anyway, we can. So this is direct method. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta is 81. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Same formula in reverse order. You write reverse only. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is 81. Same tan is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is 81. 90 minus 81 is 9. This is cos. 90 minus 81 is 9. See, cos 9, cot 9. So we got this is changed to this form and the new angles are between 0 and 45. Correct. These angles are between 0 and 45, which is the required question. That we have to change these two angles, the greater angles into smaller angles, such that the angle should be between 0 and 45. So we got like this. One more example I will solve, and then we can conclude this exercise. So tomorrow I am starting the last exercise, fourth exercise. Very important exercise, very difficult problems, lot many formulas. Don't miss the tomorrow's class. See here, sin A is equal to cos theta. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. This is sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Why I am changing cos in terms of sin? Because both should be same ratio. Sin, same. A is equal to 90 minus b. Minus b this side plus b. A plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Proved. See the proof. So all examples also I solved. All exercise problems I solved. If you have any doubt, tomorrow you can put in the chat box. So this exercise 11.3 is perfectly over. I hope all of you maybe understood the concept. 6 formulas I gave. 90 degrees, 90 minus theta formulas. So we applied those formulas here. Examples, exercise problems all completed. Students, let us conclude here. Tomorrow we are going to start the last exercise, that is the fourth exercise, important exercise for essay type questions. Thank you students. Have a nice day.